Guys, if you're into local dramas, Honor Malaysia just did a parody of Bukan Sekadar Lafaz Dua. So here's the clip.
Weh, buat apa tu? Lah, awak buat apa kat sini?
Saya nak habiskan drama saya ni.
Drama? Satu episod je tau.
HONOR Pad X9a, teman hiburan utama anda.
Honor.
Wow, very funny lah. Okay, what's up guys? Jason Smashpop here. I just actually watched the video on this new tablet by Honor Malaysia called the HONOR Pad X9a. So the HONOR Pad X9a is actually one of the best tablet that you can get now to watch drama, especially those on iQIYI, okay? This one has a 11.5-inch screen and the resolution is 2.5K, which is better than the earlier generation. It has an 86% screen-to-body ratio, offering better viewing experience, and there's also 120Hz smart refresh rate. Now, when it comes to Honor devices, they always have protection for our eyes, right? So this one also never loses, okay? This one has TUV Rhineland certification and also has circadian night display. So with this new generation, Honor actually maintained the same price as the previous generation, but they have improvised the charging and also the battery. So now the battery is bigger than last generation. This one has 8300 mAh and the charging is also faster with 35 watt. I really love watching shows on the HONOR Pad X9a because not just the screen, but it has 4 speakers. And the 4 speakers, you can even push all the way up to 200% volume, okay? Okay, you hear it for yourself.
Bomb. In fairness, the bomb was actually meant to kill him. He gassed a security briefing. That was just 2 months ago.
One thing I really want to compliment Honor is because even though this is just $999, Honor Malaysia is like, you know what, let's give everyone free keyboard and also free stylus. Hence, you will get this whole thing plus the stylus for free. So other than watching shows, you can also do work on the X9a, okay? Just like what I'm doing here. I'm actually writing notes and also recording audio using the AI Notes app, okay? Which will actually transcribe my audio into text into any language you want. There's also handwriting feature and you can sketch anything you want on the screen with the free stylus. Some other features that worth mentioning on the X9a is Honor Connect, whereby you can easily transfer files from one device to another device under the same Honor ID, and they also have Google Kids, whereby you can pass this tablet to your kids after you set up your Google Kids environment, let them play without any worries. So specs wise, this thing is 6.77mm only with 16GB of RAM and 128GB of ROM. So if you're interested to buy the X9a, the Wi-Fi version is $999 and is available now. Just $999, you will get this free wireless keyboard and also the stylus included every time you buy this thing. If you get this tablet during the first sales period, you will actually get 3 months of iQIYI VIP membership also. So that's all I want to share with you about this brand new tablet by Honor called the HONOR Pad X9a, okay? So if you love videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends and follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop and I'll see you in the next video. Yo!